10-4. How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Galucia with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
Okay.
Okay.
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is expired.
Any crime?
Yes, your tag is expired.
Do you have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right now, so I'll need your license. You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your information...
You call your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for your
supervisor. It's upon demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my supervisor.
Public servant.
You wait. Because
you serve the public.
Yes.
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt anybody. I'm not.
526. Would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially. So.
Your tag is expired. Come here. I'll show you.
No.
It's right here.
Okay.
Stay here. Don't move.
Expired vehicle registration. Driver license not valid. 2018. White. June. Utility vehicle.
So is this your Jeep?
It is not.
Okay. I already know that.
Right. So
it's still a lawful stop.
It's lawful?
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful?
It's legal, and I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing, sir. I'm asking you a question.
I'm asking you for your driver's license. You're driving your vehicle in the state of Florida, and you are
traveling. I'm traveling.
So you're going to play that game?
No, I'm not playing any game. Yeah. This is my freedom we're talking about here.
It is, and sure.
We're talking about you.
My sergeant's on his way, and
we're talking about you as a public servant.
My sergeant's on the way, and you can talk to him.
You can talk to him.
Yeah.
And I hope you know.
I hope you know
what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
526. I'll be going 1097 ENC Bank.
You would back out real quick?
Not right now. I'm on a call, so as soon as possible. I won't hold you up long.
The tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance.
Okay.
She's traveling.
Okay.
Hi.
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing
good. So I'm the day shift supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
yes.
what law am I breaking?
Apparently you're
what law is that?
Okay. Can we see license and registration?
That has nothing to do with
1015.
Because are you?
You're under arrest.
Okay. For what? Why are you arresting me? Is your?
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
Wow.
This is this isn't.
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not.
Lock this.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in. $526, $10.15.
Want to see the world through my eyes?
Due to the graphic nature of this program, viewer discretion is advised.
So I have a question.
I'm not answering any more of your questions. Turn yourself in to the Wayne County Jail today.
We're in Detroit, Michigan for a plea hearing. 57-year-old James Garner is facing several driving with a suspended license charges, plus driving without insurance and other traffic violations. Today, Garner appears before Judge Sean Perkins to discuss if he'll go to trial or take a possible plea offer.
Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, please state your name for the record.
First off, I do have a couple.
You got to state your name first. You got to state your name first.
No, I think Mr. Garner is going to represent himself. Am I correct, Mr. Garner?
I'm representing myself in what? I mean, I'm confused about what's actually going on. First off, who's alleging these charges? That's what I'm curious about.
State of Michigan, City of Detroit.
Okay, well, if that's the case, there's a common law principle which states that for there to be a crime, there must be a victim. Corpus delicti. The state cannot be the injured party. And in the absence of a victim, there can be no crime.
Garner seems to be using a sovereign citizen argument.
How do you want to proceed, Mr. Garner?
Well, the court hasn't even established jurisdiction. I mean, the jurisdiction has to be established first. Once jurisdiction is challenged, that must be settled before charges can be brought.
All right, do you want to put that in a motion, sir?
As far as I'm concerned, any and all charges must be dismissed because there is no complaining witness.
If that's your motion, I'm going to deny the motion. Okay? So, we're not going to keep going back and forth.
Respectfully, in order for this to continue, the state cannot be a complaining witness. The law states there must be a victim. I'm just requesting, who is the victim?
The citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
The state cannot be a victim.
I said the citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
If that's the case,
Mr. Garner, can we just go into a breakout room and then maybe I can give you a little bit of advice to assist you with moving forward?
Sure.
After speaking with the public defender, Garner returns to the hearing.
What do you want to do, Mr. Garner? Do you want a trial date or you want an offer? Those are really your only two options.
Okay, since we are on the record, all I'm asking for.
Okay, one last time. Now listen. Here's how it's going to go from this point on. If you don't answer the question that I asked specifically, then I'm going to hold you in contempt of court.
So you're telling me,
Mr. Garner, we're not going to have a conversation. Stop, sir. Now, that's the last time I'm going to ask you to.
On the law. Is that what I'm hearing?
I'm going to hold Mr. Garner in contempt of court. He is directly violating the court's order. I've asked him repeatedly to not interfere or add any extra commentary to this case. I've given him ample time to answer the court's question, and he continues to refuse to do so. So now I'm going to hold you in contempt, and I'm going to sentence you to 30 days Wayne County Jail. No early release.
Garner refuses to go quietly.
So I have a question.
I'm not answering any more of your questions. Turn yourself in to the Wayne County Jail today.
So the court is going to be in direct violation of my rights in the law. Is that where we're standing?
If that's how you feel. Have a good day, sir.
Garner failed to report to the county jail, and the judge issued a bench warrant for his arrest. The case is pending.
Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.
Good morning. Are you Nasir Brown?
I'm not here today on special appearance.
I'm sorry. Speak up so I can hear.
Here today
You're appearing here today?
by special appearance.
Okay. What is your name?
I'm a third party intervener who's behalf of artificial legal entity Nasir Brown.
Okay. At one point in your at some point in your life prior to being this third party, were you Nasir Brown?
No.
You're not him.
I'm a third party intervener.
So here's the thing. If you don't tell me your name, I'm going to put you in custody for not cooperating this morning. I'm not going to hold on. I understand what you're doing and what you're trying to do. It's not going to help you a single bit in court to try to play these games.
That's relative.
So are you Nasir Lewis Brown, or have you been him at some point in your life or not?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to call you by Mr. Brown because I'm not going to say all the words that you just said, because you've now identified yourself as Nasir Lewis Brown. And so, Mr. Brown, this is your initial appearance, and you have 2 cases. And cause number 26, I just asked you not to speak over me. So here's the thing, Mr. Brown. I'm going to be very patient.
I got the child subject matter jurisdiction going on record.
Your challenge of the subject matter jurisdiction is overruled. Let me go through what I need to go through, okay? So this is your initial appearance, your first day in court. I'm required to go through what you're charged with by indictment. In cause number 26, DCCR 0322, you're charged with a 3rd-degree felony offense of assault family violence by impeding breath or circulation from February 16th of 2026. And then in cause number 26, DCCR 0323, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of injury to a child, and that's from February 16th of 2026. And so since you have made bond and got out of jail on your cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Speak up so I can.
Up and down.
It's been up and down?
Yes.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Brown, is I'm just like everyone else. I'm resetting your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. You need to try to get someone hired before the next court date. If you do, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? I'm sorry?
Overstand.
Say it again.
Overstand.
You overstand?
Yes.
Okay. What does that mean?
Overstand.
Do you understand what I'm saying, sir?
I'll oblige.
You'll oblige?
Oblige. Yeah.
Okay. You just determined to use different words and be difficult, aren't you?
No.
Okay. So as a condition of your bond, did you have a condition that you were not to have any contact or communication with the complaining witnesses in each of these cases, right? Okay. And so I want to make sure you understand the importance of that, and that if you do have any contact or communication with either of them, it would be a violation of that bond condition. If I find out, your bond would be raised and you would go back to jail. Do you understand that as well? You overstand. I'm going to guess that overstand is even better than understand. So you definitely know what I'm talking about, right? So we don't have any miscommunication today. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to have you step in front of the clerk. You're going to sign a reset notice so you know when to be back in court, and take care of those things before the next court date. All right, step in front of the clerk.
You don't interrupt the judge, whether you're a flat earther or not.
I'm not flat earth. So.
All right, well, this crazy stuff you're saying, I've got very little patience for it.
Next, we go to Centerville, Michigan for a preliminary hearing. 66-year-old Rosalind Keenan has been charged with resisting and obstructing a police officer and driving with a suspended license. The resisting and obstructing charge, a felony, is punishable by up to 2 years in prison, while driving with a suspended license, a misdemeanor, could land her in jail for an additional 93 days. Keenan is free on $10,000 bond, and today she appears without an attorney before Judge Jeffrey Middleton to discuss next steps in the case.
Are you Rosalind Ray Keenan?
I'm here as sui juris impropria persona, Rosalind Ray family of Keenan, beneficiary.
Keenan appears to be making a sovereign citizen argument by refusing to identify herself to the judge.
I'm here under fraud, menace, and duress.
Judge Middleton checks in with the state prosecutor, David Marvin.
Mr. Marvin, is there a plea offer here?
What I would do is offer an attempt resisting and obstructing and dismiss count 2. And if there's no other incidents with law enforcement or any other reason to continue, I would dismiss this.
What would you like to do?
Are you asking me to take a plea?
I'm asking you if you're willing to accept the prosecutor's plea offer.
I don't understand that.
Mr. Marvin, let's just put on a plea.
Games. I'm serious.
You are playing games, and first of all,
I'm
you don't.
trying to advance to
all right,
what
stop.
Here.
You don't interrupt the judge, whether you're a flat earther or not.
I'm not flat earth. Sorry.
All right. Well, this crazy stuff you're saying, I've got very little patience for it. You don't have an attorney, which concerns me because these charges could result in your incarceration.
May I ask what jurisdiction? Is this civil or criminal?
This is a criminal case, which points out the fact that you could use a lawyer if you can't tell the difference between a civil and a criminal case.
I have to know the jurisdiction this court is operating under.
Stop.
Sixth Amendment grants me the right to know the jurisdiction being applied.
All right, stop. If you interrupt me one more time, I'm going to find you in contempt and you're going to go to jail.
Objection, please.
All right, I find that you're in contempt. You're going to jail.
I'm simply
This matter
trying
is
to
adjourned until
exercise
tomorrow
my
at
Sixth
3
Amendment
o'clock.
rights, please.
So you can think about it
We can go
overnight in
forward
jail.
with this right now, please.
No, you're going to
I do
jail
not
for
wish to be
24
in
hours.
contempt.
I know you don't wish to go to jail, but you certainly
I will
earned it.
continue with this if you please let me finish.
We'll talk about it tomorrow, and you will be more respectful to the court.
I
You
can
will speak-
provide the
You will not interrupt
citations.
the court. Your citations are meaningless.
I'm sorry I
So you
interrupted
can
you.
go
If you wanna
with the
continue-
officer. I don't want to argue about it. Take
I'm
her
not
out of here. We will address this tomorrow at 3 o'clock.
The next day, after spending a night in jail, Keenan returns to court, but with a very different demeanor.
Would you like me to appoint an attorney for you?
Yes,
All right, I'm going to appoint an attorney.
thank you.
Keenan was released from jail, and Judge Middleton scheduled a follow-up hearing. The case is pending.
Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.